Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. My name is Altia and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make these super tasty Swahili meat kebabs. Without further any ado, let's start with our recipe. In a large pot you're going to place your mincemeat. I've used beef mincemeat 1 kg. Then you're going to sprinkle some salt. Then I'm going to add jumbo, or you can able to use Maggi. Then add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, optional if you don't like spicy, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, some black pepper approximately 1 teaspoon, curry powder 1 teaspoon, and lastly 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Mix everything and let the mincemeat to cook on a medium heat. Once your mincemeat is halfway cooked like so, then I'm going to squeeze a lime, or you can able to use a lemon, but if your lime doesn't have a lot of juice like mine, then you're going to add 2 limes. Then lastly we're going to add 2 large onions that I've cut it into small pieces and some coriander leaves. Mix everything and let your mincemeat to continue cook until it's nicely cooked and dry like so. Once ready, remove it from the heat. Using a chopper like mine, you're going to blend the mincemeat for approximately 30 seconds to 1 minute. We're doing so that it can be easier to shape our kebabs. Then place the meat in a large bowl. Then you're going to add some eggs. Personally, I added 2 eggs. But if you see that your consistent is not ready, you can able to add some breadcrumbs so that it can be easier for you to shape the kebabs. And once ready, you're going to shape your kebabs like so, or any other shape that you prefer. And then it's high time to deep fry our kebabs. Make sure that your oil is hot so that the kebabs do not absorb the oil, and make sure that the oil is not too hot so that the kebab cannot burst. The oil has to be in between. Then you're going to flip them around using a spoon like so, and once they get this amazing color like so, then your meat kebabs are ready, and remove it from the heat and place them in a plate. The way we Swahili people, the Mombasa people and Zanzibar, we prefer eating our kebab with some tamarind sauce or some lime. I'm going to cut a piece so you can able to see how these kebab they are. Oh my goodness, like these kebabs, they slap. They were so tasty, and I hope you guys are going to try this recipe. And if you're going to try out this recipe, please kindly come back to the comment section and let me know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and do follow me on all my social media platforms: TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. I use Altia. And see you next time. Bye.